Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Gametest in Minecraft. Gametest is one of the different types of folders that you can make whenever making a behavior pack. Gametest allows you to edit the game in ways that you cannot do no matter what else you try. By using JavaScript instead of JSON, like most other things, there's so much more you can do. Before we do Gametest, you need to know how to make a behavior pack. If you do not know how to make a behavior pack, then go watch a tutorial on that. If you have a behavior pack, make sure you have these things in your manifest.json. Under modules, make sure you have type JavaScript and type data with unique UUIDs. And under JavaScript, add entry scripts/main.js. It is cap sensitive, by the way. Under dependencies, make sure to add all of these. And here, the UUIDs do matter. Do not change the UUIDs here. I will have this manifest in the description, but just make sure that you change this UUID, this one, and this one. Also change the name and description if you would like. Make sure you have a pack icon. I just found this thing. And make a new folder called scripts. Under scripts, make main.js. It is cap sensitive to whatever you put under entry here. And now this is where you start. Before you do anything, make sure that you have Node.js. Put this link in the description. Download it. So I have the Windows installer. So make sure to download Node.js. Once you have Node.js installed, go over here, go to your command prompt, run as an administrator, and now you're here. In your command prompt, do npm i-g at types / mojang-minecraft. Recommend copy and pasting this. Now let it install. Once that's installed, do the same thing but mojang-gametest. Once that's installed, do it again but mojang-minecraft-ui. I'll make sure to put these three into the description, put Node.js, put Visual Studio Code, which is my text editor, and now let's start. The main thing you want to do, well, the first thing you want to do is import world from mojang-minecraft. And now you can start doing things. World dot, look at all of these different options. What we're going to do is we're going to do world dot events dot. Now look at all of these things. Anything that happens, whenever someone chats, someone breaks a block, an entity gets hit, an entity gets hurt, there's an explosion, I don't know, an entity gets created, meaning that an entity gets spawned. Use an item, they use an item on a block, player joins, player leaves. There's so much stuff. So world.events dot before chat. If we were to hover over it, says this event fires before a chat message is broadcast or delivered. The event can't be cancelled and the message can also be updated. So world.events dot before chat dot subscribe data. Whoa. So any code inside of this over here will happen just before someone chats. So what are we going to do? Well, let's make chat rings. As it says right here, this event is fired before a chat message is broadcast. The event can be cancelled. So to cancel an event that can be cancelled, you do data, which is this variable right here, dot cancel equals true. That's how you cancel the event. So if I were to go in game and I tried to chat, it wouldn't work. It's been cancelled. Nothing would appear. So what should we do? let's make custom chat ranks. To make custom chat ranks, let's see if a player has a tag called admin. If they have that tag, it's going to show that they're admin. Else, it's going to show that they're member. If data dot sender player that sent the chat message dot see all of these different things that you can do with a player. We'll do has tag, test whether the entity has a particular tag, and we're going to see if they have a tag admin. If so, data dot sender dot run run command to run. We're going to run a tell raw command so it displays in chat tell raw at a raw text array object text and then the message. So you're going to put admin money sign object or color braces data dot sender dot name. Make sure it's dot name. It cannot be data dot sender. It has to be their name. Sender, and we're going to colon data dot sender data dot message that was being broadcast. Make sure that around this whole thing you use backticks. These backticks, which is the button just under the escape button. The reason you need it to be backticks and not something like single quotes or double quotes, so that way we can use this right here, money sign, curly braces, data message. So if they have admin, it's going to do this, else. It's going, nope, that's an array. Else, let me just copy and paste this. And instead of admin right here, it's going to say member. There you go. That's how you just make custom chat ranks. It's that simple. As long as your manifest has module and dependencies, you have this, it should all work. So if I go into Minecraft, I import my BP test, activate. This is the behavior pack that we made. Make sure cheats I guess aren't needed really, but experiments, make sure you have Gametest framework activated. Sorry for the cut, but make sure to have all of these since most add-ons use these. Cheats, have cheats enabled. I'm just going to change these the way I like them. Advanced. And yeah, I'm going to call this BP test. Now I'm going to create the world. Once this world is created, you'll see that nothing has changed since all we've done was change the chat. So let's test the chat. If I say hi, look at that. It says member, iBlade, which is my username, hi. And that's how you would make a custom chat. I'm just going to make it colorful. Since I'm on keyboard, I have to just copy and paste this. So let me make this one 7, which is light gray, 6, and L, which is a bold orange, R and 7, which is to reset the boldness and make it light gray again, and then just F to make it white. And I'm going to do the same here. Instead of 6, it's going to be 3, which is a nice little blue. It's my favorite blue, honestly. There we go. And so now, if I were to leave and rejoin, should be nice. Oh yeah, make sure that this behavior pack folder is in your development behavior pack, so you can easily just leave and rejoin and anything that you make here will work. Also, make sure you do Control S or Command S if you're on Mac. Control S to save the file. And if I say hi in chat, now it says I'm a member. Look at that. Well, it said I'm a member before, but now it has some nice color to it. Now if I were to add tag admin, what's that? Yeah, admin. And I say hi again. Now it's gonna say I'm an admin. But if you're wondering what this function is, it's just to give me the tags of survival, creator, and adventure mode. But yeah, that's how you would make custom chat, and that's how you would start with Gametest. I hope you enjoy. Remember, in the description, I'm going to have a link to Node.js, a link to Visual Studio Code, my text editor, Manifest, and these three things. And finally, I'm going to have a media share link to this behavior pack that we made today. I hope you enjoyed. This is going to be a full series, and see ya.